Hello friends, today we are talking about the Blazor build client web app with C Sharp. It sounds interesting, right? Because of client web app with C Sharp. Till date we heard about the client web app using the JavaScript frameworks or libraries. So let's see how we can do that and how Blazor is provide the features and functionality. So first of all, we talk about the what is Blazor? The Blazor is a free and open source web framework that enables developers to create a web app using the C Sharp and HTML. So it sounds interesting, like a user can achieve this client-side application built with the C Sharp and HTML only. So, and what are the features? Let's see the features. The first one is the interactive web UI with the C Sharp. Blazor lets you be interactive web UI using the C Sharp instead of JavaScript. As I'm just start to talking about that, like the in the front end side, we can also use the C Sharp instead of JavaScript. On the second, run on the WebAssembly or the server. The Blazor can run your client-side C Sharp code directly on the browser using the WebAssembly. So that means your whatever you write the C Sharp code is directly run on your browser. So it's more interesting and it sounds good. Build on Open Web Standard. Blazor uses the Open Web Standard without plugin or code transpilation. Blazor works in all modern web browsers, including mobile browser. So that is also good thing to the developers. That means there is no need to any third-party plugins. Blazor code directly run on the browser. That means whatever C# code you have written, it's directly run on your browser. The fourth, share codes and libraries. Blazor app can use existing .NET library. That means whatever existing code you have written, that library also can plug with the Blazor application. .NET Standard allow the same code and library to be used on server, in the browser, or anywhere you write .NET code. So that was the big plus, that whatever sometimes we thought about, like we have existing code and how we can do that. So that is also like feasible in this Blazor. Like you can use your existing code or libraries. JavaScript interpret. Your C# code can easily call JavaScript API and library. You can continue to use the large ecosystem of JavaScript library that exists for the client-side UI while writing your logic in C#. So that means, like people are talking about that how we can call the C# to JavaScript, and through the Blazor it's really easier because it's directly talk and call the JavaScript code to the C# code and C# code to the JavaScript code. So that's good in easy stuff. UI component ecosystems. Get productive fast with the reusable UI component from top components vendors. We know that there are the many companies, they provide this good UI component and reusable components, like they will be DevExpress, Telrix, and there are others many big vendors, they can provide the such reusable components or third party library, we can say. So I have just created the one application, default application, which Blazor templates provide, and I can just show you the little bit highlights based on the features what we have discussed yet. So that means you can see that whatever the code written inside the code section, that is a C# code, and which directly run on the browser, so which is a good thing to the developer. And you can see the on click event of this button, the increment count is called, that means this JavaScript event, it's called to the C# code. So that is the big thing. And another one is the current count is increment and it's refresh to the current counter variables. Okay, so till time we just understand Blazor is like something that will be useful on the client side development as well as the server side development. And one more other things is that you can write the code, C# code, server side as well as the client side. So still that we heard that Node.js did the same thing for the you can write the Node.js code on the server side as well as the client side. But now here the Blazor is provided such a way, so C# code written in the client side as well as server side. So guys, hope you like this video. I'm going to create the new video. For that how we can create the first application in Blazor. So please stay tuned and subscribe my channel, and please provide your comments in the comment section. Thank you.